G'day, Gerrit Harting. I'm going to show you how to do an interim assessment, a weekly interim assessment on the HS Simplified system. Actually, Good to Great People, powered by HS Simplified. So you log in, and the first thing you're going to do, you go to My Documents. Very important, you go to My Documents. You click Create Your Assessment, Management Frequency, Interim, Management Type, Performance. Search it, and there will be all your KPIs. So I've got example, health and fitness, achieved weekly health and fitness target for the week, 1 or a 0, yes or no. So let's say in the case you say 0, it's already marked as 0, you can say was sick. So it's important that you make a note here, so that whoever your manager approves it can know why, the reason that you haven't done it. So did you complete your assessment on Friday by 6 o'clock? Yes. Did I follow it with my subordinates to review their self-assessments of the previous week? Yes or no? And let's say no. I can say I forgot. Hopefully you don't say that. But the whole idea is, especially when you haven't done it, that you just give I forgot, but will try harder next week. Just to put in there what are you going to do to rectify the situation. So you go through all the items, effectively implemented all actions were due for the week. I can say what percentage I've done of my actions, and I can say, let's say I completed 80% of it, and I haven't done 90% of my target. So I can say overload with emergency emails, but will catch up. Right, and so you go through every item. Meaningful customer engagement, let's say you're at 3, or let's say 5. And consistent medals and yellow cards ratio presentation, I can say yes, all up to standard, and then you say save. What's going to happen here is the moment you say save, your manager will get an email to say he must now go and approve your weekly assessment. Okay, and that's that.